Flavors Fam. Check out this recipe of Mexican chaat made using roti but with Mexican flavors. Easy to make at home and tastes delicious. Add coriander leaves, tomato, onion, garlic clove, jalapeno, lemon juice and salt. Grind them well. Salsa is ready. Add coriander leaves, garlic clove, green chili, lemon juice and salt. Grind them well. Coriander chutney is ready. Add roti, oil, taco seasoning and salt. Mix well. Air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Add red kidney beans, green pepper, frozen corn kernels, green onion, taco seasoning, chaat masala, salt, plain yogurt, salsa, coriander chutney and grated cheese. Mix well. Garnish with jalapeno, green onion and grated cheese. Mexican roti chaat is ready. If you like this recipe video, smash the like button. For more recipes, subscribe Flavors Family.